Hi, my name is Adib BASIR. So today I will show you how to do a data analysis from W software. So firstly, we choose data from our dataset. For our group, we choose dataset number 5. Then we can extract the data from our data and store the information for the file. And for the first year, I will choose CDP per capita by continent, and I will put the label, and I rewrite the title to CDP per capita by continent. Then I move to another sheet to do the same thing, but I will filter the continent only for Asia, and I choose the suitable chart. For example, here I choose topography, and then I use different colors and put in the label, and I change the title to CGP score in Asia. Then I do a third sheet, and I change the title to top 10 CDP score. Then I will choose the CDP per capita and country. Then I will put the country at the filter to filter the top 10 country that have higher CDP score. Then I will change the chart based on what I like it, and then I will put the labels, and that's all for me. Thank you, and I will move on to another person to present their work.
Hi, my name is SHAFNIE SHAH, and I'm going to show you sheet 4 and sheet 5. So the first thing is we have to open your sheet and then choose continent as column and GDP and CPI as a row. When you click CPI, click right to exist and then go to the sum of CPI score to differentiate the graph, and then it shows the label, and then we rename it the sheet to GDP score versus CPI score by continent. And for the sheet 5, we have to do topography chart, and then we put happiness score and CPI score as a row, and then fill in the happiness score with color and rename it as a happiness country by GDP score. And then we are done. Thank you. That's all from our group.
Hi, my name is FARAH IZZATI binti JAPRI, and I will show you a dashboard that compares GDP per capita by continent and highlights the top 10 countries by CDP score. First, I put all the sheet that contains GDP score, which is sheet 1, 2 and 3. Then I resize it like how we want. So for me, I custom the size to the standard desktop size to make sure that the interframe look much better. Next step is for the second dashboard, I put sheet 4 and 5, and also I setting the size with the custom size like dashboard 1 to make sure that the interframe look better. So this dashboard give a quick view of economic strength by region and top countries based on CDP score. So that's all for dashboard part, and we move to the next part.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ZAFIRAH binti Zul. I will present from my part. Based on my part, I make the both dashboard to tell a story about global wealth, development and happiness. First and foremost, I will add the caption for these stories into a diving into global economic. Then I insert the dashboard 1 into the story. Secondly, for the next page, I will do the same thing like the previous story. I will add some caption mapping the connection between CDP, CPI, and the happiness around the world. Then I insert the dashboard 2, and I setting the size based on my preference, so I choose automatically. Then I save the whole data in my file. So, as a conclusion, both dashboards show that strong economies and good governance often lead to higher happiness. But the difference between the countries remind us that development is not equal everywhere. That's all from us. Thank you.